These are some of the newborn essentials I would recommend from the Dr. Brown's brand, starting with the sterilizer. This has an advanced filter technology and eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, mould and yeast, and the contents remain sterilised for 24 hours. It's a 4-in-1 system, so it can be used as a sterilizer only, a dryer only, a sterilizer and dryer, and for storage. These, of course, are the famous Anti-Colic bottles. This is the Deluxe starter kit, so it has a variation of size teats. The teeth are also breast-like, so they're great bottles for babies who are transitioning from breastfeeding over to bottle feeding. The Dr. Brown's vented bottles are 100% vacuum-free, which provides air-free feeding for the baby, and they're clinically proven to reduce colic. Lottie actually developed colic 4 or 5 weeks after she was born, and she was getting trapped wind in her tummy and was uncontrollably crying after feeding. And as soon as I switched her over to the Dr. Brown's bottles, I noticed a massive difference. You can also use them with or without the vent. So if your baby doesn't suffer from colic and you want to just use the bottle without the vent, that's totally fine as well. They work better with the vent. It can help to aid digestion for a better night's sleep. But as I mentioned, you can also use them without the vent if it's not necessary for your baby. This is the bottle brush, which I'm obsessed with. How can you be obsessed with a bottle brush? No, honestly, it is really, really good. And this is the Deluxe bottle warmer and sterilizer, so you can warm babies' bottles and their food jars using this. So these are all the Dr. Brown's essentials that I would recommend for newborns.